Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you could do with your instant noodles, but I don't recommend it today because I'm going to do something a little weird. Alright, this is going to be for a spicy noodle mukbang, which means I eat it all. So what do we have here? This is the new Samyang Foods Limited Edition 12,000 SHU Fire Noodle Buldak Bokomyeon. So, and it's Buldak Bokomyeon Mini, which I really like because, I mean, I don't have the the gut I used to. I've lost what? 80? Wait, more than that. I've lost a bunch of weight. Anyways, let's get this going. This goes for 4 minutes, right? Five minutes. No. Yeah. 5 minutes. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. But today, you might not want to do what I'm about to do because this is Buldak Bokomyeon Mini 12,000 SHU. This is basically like 3x spicy, and there's no BS around it. It's really that hot. It's not like the 4x. Here's the noodle block. It's small, which I really like because after being on a diet for a while, it's hard to slam down that many carbs. So here we go. But there's a little added something today. Let me grab a fork and get this moving a little bit. It's more of a recipe that I'm trying out. It's a new kind of challenge. Not something most people would really think of, but I saw these things at a store. I got them. I thought, oh, I should do like a weird mukbang with these. What flavor are they? Sriracha flavor. Whole roasted crickets. They're low cal, the whole thing's 70 calories. But yeah, we're going to pair the heat with the bugs. Yeah. To be honest, I'm a little, I don't know, it's either gonna go well or it's not. But I mean, it's Friday, I figure, what the heck. So, what's going on? Just put my daughter down for a nap. Last day for school of Miles. Didn't really want to do this while he was around. I don't want him to. This is pretty spicy stuff. I mean, I'm used to it. Man, come on, stupid burner. There you go. So before I started cooking, I had a pot of water on the stove. I went to grab one of those Buldak mini packs out of the box that they're in. And I set a box down on the stove, and it hit the handle of the pot, and all the water went flying everywhere and inside the range. So I was like, so I went and I killed the breaker for the range and cleaned it all out. Yeah, but it's clean now and nothing's exploded. So I took a anti-heartburn med. Just I haven't done like something this spicy in quite a while, really. I think the last time I did one of this heat level might have been the Buldak Mini, and it seems like I did that a few months ago. So it should be a fun ride for all. If you like fun rides, it's your stop. Now, one thing that's going to really tick people off is I'm going to use the package instructions, which everybody thinks they know how to make this stuff. But guess what? You don't. There's the Buldak Bokameon that comes in a big pack, like the 2X spicy, and then there's this one that's the mini. Now, you guys generally don't add any liquid to it at the end, and you're supposed to. I'm sorry, that's the deal. That's what they tell me. I talk to people at Samyang Foods. I read the packaging. Yeah. So, what's the deal with this one? You add 5 spoons of water. A spoon is a tablespoon, and that's 15 milliliters. So, that's what? 75 milliliters of water, whereas a full-size pack of Buldak Bokameon 2X, original, carbo, all of them, you add 120 milliliters, which is 8 spoons. I've had people say, that's not how you make it. I've had people say, well, what it says on the package isn't always right. Yeah, well, sorry. In this case, it is. They know what they're talking about. I honestly like it this way. But if you don't, then don't add any water. I don't care. They don't either. Just keep buying it. That's what they care about. If you really like it, do it how you like it. Screaming at me about the fact that I'm doing it wrong. No, I'm doing it wrong for you. But I'm doing it according to package specifications and specifications laid out by the wonderful people over at Samyang Foods. So, drop it. Like that. Drop it like it's hot. Ha! So, let's take the water and noodles and drain. Alright. And now we're going to take, here's our water. This is 5 spoons of water right there. Boop. I know, it's killing you, isn't it? And our Skigors. Now we're going to add the spicy sauce. I was kind of thinking, should I add the crickets in first? Or the sauce? What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sauce in. And then I'm going to drop the crickets in, and then I'm going to stir it all up over the heat. Okay, there's the sauce. God, I hope these don't like reek or something. I hope all will be revealed happily. I have a feeling I'm not gonna like these. They might be better in the sauce, honestly. Hopefully. It feels like there's a couple in. Couple meaning like a ton. Oh, I can't get it open. I can't do it. Yeah, sorry. Alright. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh my god. Why did I have this great idea? Cricket. Cricket. Yeah, here you go. Take a gander in there. There's our crickets. And here they go. Oh! Oh God, you need to see this. Oh. And nobody challenged me to this, but guess what? Now you've been challenged to this by me. You're all doomed. Look at that. Are you ready? Now I gotta put it back on the heat and stir fry it. Why? Why am I doing this? I don't know. It's something different. Boy, I'll say. I think my my goal will be to make it go away as quickly as possible, just for the sake of yeah. There it goes. Yep. Crickets. Crickets. If you're the folks over at Samyang Foods watching this, please tell me what you think. Actually, I'm gonna send this video over to him. I'll send him this one and the mukbang, which is, yeah, I've got my set. Everything's all set up. So once this is done, I'll let it cool for a minute or two, and then get started over there on the coffee stand. So yeah. Oh boy. Okay. I think it's good. Actually, I don't think there's anything good about this. I don't know why I'm doing it, but it's Friday. It feels like the thing to do on a Friday. Is this what you guys do on a Friday? But this is a new challenge, so if you do challenges, this is the challenge for you to do. If you really want to one-up me, you can do live crickets, if that's something that appeals to you. But, here we go. Alright. Now, if you're thinking like, oh my god, look at that, how are you gonna eat that, dude? How are you gonna eat that? I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm just gonna start eating it. Oh, the garnish. Good God, should we forget the garnish? No way. For best results, I recommend possibly using an add-on other than crispy cricket. It just doesn't seem like that'll be the best pairing for Buldak Bokamyan. But yeah. All right, here we go. Okay, so yeah, I got to get in my mindset to do this, but yeah, look at that. It'll make you hungry. Alright, wish me luck. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.